How to check whether a contact is saved on phone, on a SIM card, or in your Google account on a Samsung Galaxy device. To check where your contacts are saved on your Samsung device, simply launch or open the Contacts application on your device. Once you've done that, tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and over here you can go to the option called Settings, where you can go to manage contacts. So you can say default storage location. So basically all of your contacts will be synced on one place, whether they are saved on a phone or on a SIM card. You can go to default storage location. If your storage location is set to phone, it will be saved to phone. If your storage location is set to Google account, it will be saved to your Google account instead. So these are a couple of things that you can do. You can go to sync contact accounts and turn on sync from all of the Google accounts to sync those contacts manually, or you can select move contacts to other storage location, and basically you can move it from your contacts from Google account to phone or vice versa. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.